Looking for the perfect Samsung tablet in 2025? Whether you're working in the field, binge-watching shows, or sketching your next masterpiece, we've got you covered. In this countdown, we're revealing the top 5 best Samsung tablets that blend power, style, and innovation. From rugged builds to stunning AMOLED screens, these tablets do it all. Stick around to see which one claims the top spot. You don't want to miss this. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5G LTE, the ultimate warrior in the world of rugged tablets. Designed for industrial professionals, field workers, and on-the-go doers, this 8-inch powerhouse brings reliability and resilience right to your hands. It's unlocked and built for 5G LTE, giving you lightning-fast connectivity wherever your mission takes you. With 128 gigabytes of storage and a sleek black-green body, it doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Its military-grade durability and IP68 water and dust resistance ensure it survives drops, shocks, and extreme environments. You can even use it with gloves on, thanks to the responsive display, perfect for construction sites or outdoor tasks. It's powered by Android and optimized for enterprise-level security, including Samsung Knox, so your data stays locked down tight. Need a tablet that works as hard as you do? This is it. Built to endure. Built to connect. Built to perform. A perfect blend of speed, strength, and smart utility. The Tab Active 5 is the no-excuse tablet for the real world. Stay tuned. The next tablets only get better. Landing at number 4 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9, a sleek and affordable Android tablet that punches above its weight in both performance and entertainment. With its expansive 11-inch display, this tablet is perfect for binge watchers, casual gamers, students, and anyone who enjoys a big screen on the go. Its slim and lightweight design makes it ultra-portable, while the graphite finish gives it a clean, modern aesthetic. Under the hood, the upgraded chipset ensures smoother performance, letting you switch between apps effortlessly, whether you're streaming, studying, or sketching. Quad speakers powered by Dolby Atmos deliver a truly immersive audio experience, making this tablet a mini theater in your hands. And with multi-window support, you can multitask like a pro, browse the web, chat, and watch videos all at once. If you're looking for a feature-rich Android tablet that won't break the bank, the A9 deserves a serious look. Big screen, big sound, big value. It's fun, functional, and built for everyday life. At number 3, we have a serious powerhouse, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, a premium Android tablet designed for those who demand both productivity and play. With a stunning 12.4-inch AMOLED 2X display, this tablet delivers ultra-vivid colors, crisp detail, and silky smooth motion, making it perfect for artists, gamers, and streaming enthusiasts. What sets this tablet apart is its intelligent software features. The circle-to-search and sketch-to-image tools give you next-level creativity and convenience, turning your ideas into visuals in seconds. Whether you're doodling, designing, or exploring, the included S Pen feels fluid and natural, ready to go when inspiration hits. And it's not just about power, it's built to last. The Galaxy Tab S10 is engineered with durability in mind, while the long battery life keeps you moving from meeting to movie without interruption. With 256 gigabytes of storage, there's room for everything. Premium design, pro features, and entertainment that travels. The Tab S10 is an Android beast you'll love to use. Landing at number 2 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, the fan-favorite edition that blends flagship-level features with a wallet-friendly price. With a large, immersive display and vibrant visuals, this tablet is ideal for streaming, sketching, multitasking, and everything in between. Powering it all is a robust processor that keeps performance smooth and snappy, whether you're juggling apps or diving into a gaming session. It's also backed by 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and if that's not enough, no worries. Expandable storage means you'll never run out of room for your files, media, and creativity. Samsung includes the versatile S Pen for seamless note-taking, drawing, and navigation right out of the box. The long-lasting battery ensures you can binge, browse, and brainstorm all day without reaching for the charger. With pro-grade performance, an ultra-clear display, and unbeatable value, the Galaxy Tab S10 FE is the smart choice for everyday users and creators alike. Don't go anywhere. The number one pick is something you don't want to miss. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, a jaw-dropping powerhouse designed to redefine what a tablet can be. With its massive 14.6-inch AMOLED touchscreen, this device offers a cinematic viewing experience that's second to none, making it perfect for professionals, gamers, and creators who crave top-tier performance. Under the hood, this beast packs 12 GB of RAM and a spacious 256 GB SSD, ensuring lightning-fast multitasking and enough room for all your apps, files, and creative projects. Running on Android 14 OS, it delivers a seamless, modern interface paired with Samsung's finest software innovations. The included S Pen is more precise than ever, perfect for sketching, note-taking, or editing on the fly. Plus, with a built-in fingerprint reader, your data stays secure while giving you instant access with just a touch. If you want the absolute best Samsung tablet in 2025, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is the ultimate flagship, bold, beautiful, and built for serious power users. This is what peak tablet performance looks like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next top tech countdown.